how to restore accidentally closed Safari tabs on iPhone. So if you want to restore accidentally closed Safari tabs on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Safari application. Here you just need to simply go with your tabs. Tap on all tabs, which will be on the bottom, and here you will have all of your tabs, right? So if you have accidentally closed any of your Safari tabs, then what you need to do is just simply shake your phone a bit until you see the pop-up message, which is undo close tab. You can tap on undo and you will have that tab back on your all tabs list. Another way is to close the tabs at first. After closing, you can just press and hold on to that plus button, and here you will have all of your recently closed tabs. You need to tap on it and then you will find closed Safari tabs on your iPhone. So these were the ways, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.